I'm John from Eaton Zero. We're sharing RigSync today. It's a software feature of Zero 793, which is installed on our brand new Flex S console that we're launching here at Plaza. RigSync manages your lighting rig, so it's always synchronized and it fixes any problems there might be. We use the logic that you've probably got a smartphone, you might be watching this on a smartphone, that has an IP address. That IP address is given to you automatically most of the time, and you probably don't know what it is. You don't care what it is, but you have to have one and it has to be unique. We're using the same logic for DMX addresses to remove the need to address your fixtures or to worry about any collisions there might be. So, for example, I've got control of this moving light here, nothing odd about that. If we go and change the DMX address, this is a problem that might happen that would stop your lighting rig from working. But we instantly detect that problem and I've still got control of that moving light, even though we've got a completely different DMX address. At the same time, I can go here and I can address this fixture to the same as that light. That would be another collision normally and would cause a problem in your lighting rig. But when I do that, you can see it's just moved the address. It's not allowing me to do that. It's moved channel 1 to somewhere else and put the other channels somewhere else. We've split the channels out. I can change the mode of this fixture. So this fixture's on. I've got color mixing of it. If we just go and change the mode of that to a 16-bit parameter instead of an 8-bit parameter, I've still got complete control of that fixture. The desk has realized there's a change, it's completely repatched itself to make that work. There's no pop-up, there's no change at all on the desk, everything is always synchronized. Now, this is using most of the time a protocol called RDM, Remote Device Management, but actually the Alpha package doesn't have RDM, so how do we deal with that? Well, if we go into setup and patch it like we normally would, so say that we've got 3 dimmers, let's address this to 441. We can't change that, we can't make any changes, and normally we'd get a pop-up saying that can't be done. But when we click finish, what actually happens is we patch this and we move the moving light to a different DMX address to make room for the Alpha pack. And now the Alpha pack's locked in the rig and all the RDM devices can be moved before it or moved after it to make space of what I need. The last thing we've done is implemented something called lock rig. When I come to here and turn on lock rig, if I now try and change the address of this fixture to something else, you'll see we just change it straight back again. We've locked the rig, we're not allowing you to make that change. And we do that for anything that's going to affect your show file. So pan and tilt settings, mode, and address. But things like the backlight of the LCD, those sorts of things, you're more than free to change. You can still make changes from the desk, but the rest of the rig is completely synchronized with the desk. You never have collisions, you never have things that are wrong. The modes are updated automatically, the pan tilt settings are updated automatically, and we think this is going to save loads of time, especially at the lower and mid-end range where there aren't dedicated people managing this and documenting it all in paperwork. So we'd love you to have a demo of it, we'd love you to read more about it on our website at 088.com, or come along to one of the trade shows coming up to get hands-on and to try it out for yourself.